This is Ed. So this room, this floor has the heat, the hallway, and then the bedrooms and the bathroom has the floor heat. This furnace here is for the house and for the air conditioning. There's their hot water tank for the domestic, for showers and so on and so forth. This is my boiler, and it's a little messy in here, but I'm being courteous, and I got a cardboard on top of the old freezer here. Got my stuff on top of it. Let's see what else. So this is Ed from Around the Town Heating. This is all my stuff. Head out.